Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Today we're going to continue to read the book of Joshua. I think we're going to stay in Joshua for a while and just read a couple of chapters a week. Part of why I'm doing this simply is this is when God gave the land to the Israelites. And I think that's very pertinent for the history of today when I am recording this, when Israel is fighting for her survival against most of the nations around her. And I think it's important for us as Christians to remember that God has not abandoned his people. He promised that he would not do that, and he has not done so. And I know that there is a theology out there that the Jews were replaced by Christians, but St. Paul talks about that we are grafted on to the tree, not that we replace the tree, and that any broken off branches can be easily grafted back in. And so maybe I will read that passage at some point. I think that it's important for us as Christians to remember that and to be humble about that.